This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery in Santa Monica. And we're going to show you how to put your baby into the Clek Liing or Liingo car seats. Now you're going to notice that your Clek Liing does come with an infant headrest and infant body support pillow, which Clek says is only necessary up to 11 pounds. So once the child's over 11 pounds, you can take both pieces out. There are two things you need to know about the car seat. Number one is how to loosen and tighten the straps, and that is controlled at the front here. If you pull on this front strap, everything tightens up all at once. When you're ready to loosen it, there's an opening in the fabric, and inside the opening is a button. Stick your finger in there, push and hold the button down, and with your other hand, you're going to pull away from the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps will always stay even. The second thing is that there are 3 different height positions on your car seat. As the child gets taller, you're going to move them up gradually. And what you want to look at is the top of the baby's shoulder. Right now, their shoulder is going to be right about here, right above level 1. Once their shoulder reaches level 2, you move it to level 2. Once their shoulder reaches level 3, you move it to level 3. So don't move the straps up until the child's shoulder reaches that next slot. When you're ready to move it, you're going to loosen the straps all the way. You're going to turn the car seat around. On the back of the car seat, you're going to see the 3 different height positions, and you're going to see the 2 shoulder straps connected to this metal plaque here. You're going to want to disconnect them one at a time. You're going to pull it out from the front. And now you can move it up to the next level that you want. I highly recommend doing this one at a time, so that way when you're reconnecting it, you can match up the other one and know it's done correctly. You don't want to go over the bar, you want to go under the bar. Make sure the straps are not twisted or tangled. And when you feed the strap back in, make sure it goes completely inside the hook here. And then of course you can do the same thing for the other side. Now that we know how the car seat works, let's go ahead and put baby in. So first thing, loosen the straps, open up the buckles, move them out of the way. Grab your baby and put them in the chair here. Make sure their bottom is in the corner. You don't want any slouching. Because the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to get their arms through and buckle them up. Chest clip first. The bottom clip is going to go over the legs and into the middle red buckle here. You can do them one at a time. Right. Now that the baby is settled in the car seat, we can start to tighten. The first place you want to tighten is the legs. There's going to be a bunch of loose slack over the legs. And if you only pull on the tightening strap, that only tightens around the baby's shoulders. So a lot of times parents don't realize that it's still going to be loose around the legs. And that's why we want to do the legs first. Pull up on the leg slack. Make sure you do both sides evenly. We're going to temporarily move the chest clip down. What we've done is we pulled all the slack from the legs up to the shoulder chest area. And now when we pull on the tightening strap, all of the slack is getting secured. The way to know these are tight enough is with 2 fingers, you're going to pinch right on top of the baby's shoulder. If you can make a loop, it's still too loose. Continue to tighten. Once you cannot pinch anything above the shoulder, that's perfect. If you're worried it's too tight, see if your finger can fit underneath the harness. As long as your finger fits, you know the baby's not being squeezed or harmed in any way. Finally, we're going to move the chest clip all the way up. Push up with your thumbs. You want to make sure it's level with the armpit, just like the picture shows. So every time you put baby in the car seat, you're going to follow the same routine. When you're ready to get them out of the car seat, you want to loosen the straps all the way. That's going to make it easier to unbuckle them and get them out of the car seat. It'll also make the car seat ready for the next time you want to put baby in. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.